The DR75C steam cleaner with vacuum from Dennis Rawlings Limited. Before cleaning begins, fill the collection tank with 2.5 litres or 5 pints of cold tap water. Reconnect the tank and the machine can be used on its own as shown here, or with the optional trolley used for carrying tools and raising the working height of the machine. Attach the hose. Fill the water tank with clean water using the bottles supplied. Do not put any chemicals into the tank. Now the machine can be switched on by pressing the green, orange and red buttons which illuminate when on. Opposite these buttons, the pressure gauge and green light indicate when the machine has reached 150 degrees centigrade and 5 bar pressure and the machine is ready for use. The hose handle has 2 switches, red for releasing the steam and white for the vacuum. The volume of steam released can be adjusted using the rotary knob next to the pressure gauge. Press the white button once to switch the vacuum on. Press the button again and hold down until the desired level of suction is reached. Press once more to switch off. A number of different cleaning tools are supplied with the machine. Attach the required accessories to the hose according to the cleaning job at hand. The instruction manual contains a guide to help you choose. Here we are attaching the hard floor tool. Steam is excellent for cleaning safety flooring as demonstrated here. This is a particularly problematic floor type because the dirt becomes ingrained in the pores of the surface and cannot be removed by traditional cleaning methods. First, the grease and dirt is dissolved by the steam and released from the pores of the surface. Using the vacuum will then remove the residue that has been created to leave the floor completely sanitised and clean. Steam can also be used for spot cleaning carpets. Simply unclip the hard floor tool and attach the carpet cleaning tool. Carpets are cleaned and freshened using the steam and vacuum simultaneously. Steam is ideal for cleaning washrooms. Tiles and grouting are cleaned using the appropriate accessory. The steam pressure helps blast away and kill mould from difficult to reach areas. The vacuum then removes any residue. Cleaning at 150 degrees centigrade completely sanitises the surface, killing germs and bacteria as well as breaking down body fats. Clean mirrors effortlessly without leaving behind streaks or watermarks. Steam also deodorises as it cleans, removing odour caused by urine. Use the blow feature to expel air and steam to clean dust and cobwebs from behind radiators. Clean hard surfaces such as desks and worktops. And use the upholstery tool to clean and freshen furniture, including awkward vertical blinds. And remember, all this is achieved without any need for using chemicals. The power is in the steam. Please contact Dennis Rawlings Limited for a free demonstration of the DR75C steam cleaner and vacuum.